Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we will review the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. That's very beautiful, as you can see in the picture, that lots of camera and very shiny and slim and beautiful display HD. As you can see the picture of this is the back side picture and this is front, and these are the both sides of the mobile phone. Now we will go to the specification of the mobile. First we will check the price in Samsung Galaxy S21. The price in the international market is $1811. So 1181. So in rupees, in Pakistani 242 and 242,999, 2,42,999. So we will go to the specification of the mobile. So Android operating system is Android 11. Weight is 227 gram, and SIM, as you know that, and 5G band as well. CPU is CPU is octa-core, okay, and chipset used in this is Exynos 2100 5 nanometer, and size is 6.8 inches, and card no built-in is 256 GB and 12 GB RAM, and Bluetooth, audio sensor, torch, games, and the battery capacity is 5,000 milliampere hour. So this is very good mobile, you can buy as well. I hope you will like video. Thanks for watching.